So a friend of mine brought his PC to me and said it's shutting down. I assumed there must be a heat issue. And after running a very simple stress test, in a matter of minutes, it hit TJ Maxx. That's unacceptable. So I figured a visual inspection was in order, and I opened it up. Unfortunately, I found this. Hey there, and welcome to the workshop here at the Prodigal PC. Now, thanks to a friend of mine and their lack of maintenance to their machine, I've been given the opportunity to show you, my viewers, the proper way to clean your machine and refresh your thermal compound. Because as you saw in the intro, this machine is achieving thermal shutdown, and that's not good for your processor. So what you're going to need, obviously, is your screwdriver, and I suggest everyone have a magnetic screw dish. These things are invaluable when working with PCs. And then you're going to need either a can of compressed air or an air compressor. Now, in the case of an air compressor, I suggest you go out and spend the $6 or $7 it costs to get yourself a water and oil filter for your compressor. Because every time you compress the air in this container, it squeezes the moisture out of that air. And that moisture builds up and can eventually spray out of the nozzle. And the last thing you want to do is be spraying water into your computer. So once we've done that and refreshed the thermal compound to make sure that that's legitimately what the problem was, we'll give the machine a proper deep cleaning. We'll disassemble it and use electronic component cleaner. This stuff is $4 or $5 at your local Walmart or auto parts store, and it's designed specifically to clean circuit boards and leave no residue while evaporating super quick so that you have no problems with conductivity. Now, I'm sure you guys love hearing me blather on, but I think it's time for the tech porn. So here we are now 15 minutes into the same stress test that I showed you before, and now we are perfectly within reasonable temperatures, proving that the only problem was that the thermal compound had died. So I'll see you after the work. So now that we know that the only problem was the thermal compound, we can go ahead and give this machine a proper deep cleaning. So here comes the tech porn. And so, just like that, you too can have a nice, clean machine that will provide you with the best thermals your rig is capable of achieving. Now, as always, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell. If you like this video, give it a like. If not, I'm sorry the world seems so bleak to you. I'm Meat Popsicle from the Prodigal PC, and I shall speak to you when I return.